Did 500 push-ups. It'll be 200 dips, 200 push-ups. While y'all sleep, I work. While y'all eat, I train. While y'all procrastinate, I gang. Stop making excuses, man. 20 sets. But the workout ain't done until you muscle up. Training Day Network, back with another video. We mid-set right now. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's raining. It's dark out. We 12 sets in right now. So I did 500 push-ups. Then now I'm doing 10 dips, 10 push-ups, 20 sets. So it'll be 200 dips, 200 push-ups. I'm training the same to remain the same. Like I said, we on 12 sets. Woo-wee! Training the same, remain the same. Thirteen sets. Rain don't stop nothing. Dark don't stop nothing. We out here. Like I said, this after 500 push-ups. Did the 500 push-ups. And now it's 200 dips, 200 push-ups. Ooh, pain! Stop making excuses, man. Stop making excuses. Get up off them couches and put in that work, bro. Put in that work, man. Get them off them couches. Come on inside, more. Come on inside. Pain. Pain. Training staying and remain the same. Oh! Just did it, TV. I don't even know.
15.
Rain don't stop the show. Let's fight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left shoulder feel cooked, bro. Feel like it's giving out. But it ain't over till the fat lady sing. And ain't no fat ladies in sight. So it ain't never gonna stop. You don't quit when you tired, you quit when you done. Set. Bugs coming out. Cause I'm getting bit on my triceps. They see the pump. They can smell it. They trying to get some of the gains, y'all. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sir. Whoa! Daily motivation, y'all. Daily motivation. Motivation. I need to count out loud. You got me? I got you.
Got you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Bugs is out. I got bit like twice on the left tricep. Once on the right tricep. I'm sweating. I don't care. I'm facing this one on this side. While y'all sleep, I work. While y'all eat, I train. While y'all procrastinate, I gang. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The money. Get with me. Custom calisthenic program. Check the link in the description. Want to get stronger? Tap in. Tap in. I need to count, y'all, man. I got you. Out loud count. So the viewers can hear it.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nah, they out here right now.
They out here. The bugs is out here, y'all. You think it's a game? What set is this?
Well, he about to do 19.
Damn. The bugs is really out here. Keep the count out loud, y'all. Ready? People gotta hear this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
The money.
Oh shit.
You got me? Got you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's it. What's the saying, bro? Training same to remain the same. Yes, sir. Every day is training day, even at night. At night. Oh, you think darkness is y'all? I was born in it. That's it. Let's go. Nice and loud count, y'all.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, sir.
Woo!
You love calisthenics? So do I. Ball's right in front of the crib. Get with me.
Last set of push-ups.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Oh, you thought I was done?
Sight.
9,
Thought I was
1,
done?
2, 3, 4, 5,
Got stuck.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I lied. 10. Yes, sir.
All those reps were slow and controlled. Slow and controlled reps, y'all. Slow and controlled money. So like I said, we just finished. Well, I just finished. 500 push-ups. And then right after, 20 sets of 10 dips, 10 push-ups. The rest period is just walking from the dip ball to the push-up ball. Low reps. I mean, I wouldn't call it extreme high sets, but you know, somewhat of high sets. Just to maximize the burn. How many sets that?
20.
20, right?
Yeah.
Shoot them. How many sets? 20 sets. Okay, y'all see. But the workout ain't done until you muscle up. Let's go. Right here, turn. Cannonball. My hands. We gaining, y'all. Training center remain the same. Let's see. Ain't no button, but y'all know it's always a button. We always letting the games begin. Let's go.